So hello everyone, this is 630 kVA transformer. Again, in this is the Tesla transformer limited. So in this transformer, as you can see there, you will be actually looking into the details of the nameplate that have been attached with this transformer. I mean, from the nameplate you will be getting lots of information about the it is like a biodata of this transformer. So we will look at the nameplate. I will take a look at this transformer. What is it written? It is written as transformer conventional type. That means your type of cooling system that is used in the transformers is your on an oil natural, air natural. That means oil will circulate in between the winding, or for that matter it may go to the conservator also. I mean that circulation of oil is taking place naturally without in the help of external factors like pump. And then the air is also that we use for cooling system is through the radiators. It is happening naturally. This your natural air only. There is no fan installed. That is the meaning of onan. Your type of cooling system is onan. And then we look at the temperature rise of oil is 50 degrees Celsius, and your over ambient temperature 50 degrees Celsius. That means the temperature rise allowed is 50 degrees Celsius over this 50 degrees Celsius. That means your setting of the relay or the oil temperature indicator, if 50 plus 50 you will get 100. That means if it is below 100 it's fine. The moment it crosses 100 degrees Celsius, your oil temperature indicator, the mercury contact of the oil temperature indicator will actually short, which will finally give a tripping command to the breaker. The breaker will open and then isolate the transformer. And we take a look at the temperature rise of the winding allowed is 55 degrees Celsius over an ambient of 50 degrees Celsius. That means 50 plus 55 you will get 105 degrees Celsius. That means the setting of the winding temperature indicator will be in such a way that the moment it crosses 105 degrees Celsius, the NO's contact, I mean your mercury contact of the OTI of the WTI will actually short, and then giving tripping command to the breaker, and at the same time will give alarms also. This is the meaning. And you take a look at the voltage, the high voltage and the low voltage winding. The high voltage is 33,000 volt and your low voltage is at 433. This is measurement is at no load, and this is actually your standard. Also always 433 volt is your secondary. And because of that, as you see, because this is a step down transformer, naturally your high voltage current will go down because it has already your voltage has already increased. So your HV current rated will be 11.02 ampere, and your low voltage current will be higher, that is 840.02 ampere. And the type of cooling system, as I said, it is the oil natural, air natural. It is on, and the rated frequency is the grid frequency, which is 50 hertz in India, and we usually get this frequency. And we look at the kVA rating, there is written as 630 kVA. I mean this is type of rating is actually installed in maybe your big hotels like your 5-star hotels, or even in hospitals. For example, your if you take a look at Shillong, Shillong city, your this Nazareth hospitals, your this civil hospitals, this robot hospitals, their load, connected load is about like that only, around 100 to 150 kilowatts. So that's why you require this big transformers of this much rating, 630 kVA rating. And it was manufactured in the year 2009, and the vector group, as I said, it is Dyn11. The meaning of this is that your capital D indicates your high voltage, which is in delta, 3-star 3-wire delta, and your secondary winding is connected in Y with a neutral. So this 11 indicates 11 o'clock, which means that your secondary voltage is placed at I mean in synchronization with your clock of 11 degrees Celsius, 11 o'clock, which means that your secondary voltage leads the primary voltage by an angle of 30 degree, and your impedance volt is 5%. 5%. That means if you short the secondary windings and then allowed 5% of your rated voltage to be applied in the high voltage winding, that means 1.5 kV if you apply in the HV and then short the secondary, you will be getting this 840 ampere circulating in the secondary winding. So this is the meaning. And the weight of oil is 700 kg. Then the oil quantity will be 815 liter, and then the tank and fitting weight will be 850, and then the total weight of this is 2.5 ton. So this is the weight actually. So there you see, even the vector diagram have been given like that, as I said, like this. So this much only. Thank you.